Are you ready to discover the 20 amazing and unique tools on Amazon everyone should have? In today's video, we'll show you some of the smartest, most useful, and coolest tools you can buy right now on Amazon. From home improvement must-haves to genius problem-solving tools, these are game-changing Amazon finds that will make your life easier. Don't miss tool number 15. It's one of the most brilliant tools we've ever featured. And if you love discovering Amazon's coolest and most unique tools, make sure to subscribe for more awesome gear every week. Without further ado, let's dive in. Tough cleaning tasks in the garden, driveway, or patio demand a strong and versatile tool that won't fail under pressure. The SILKPE shovel is designed to handle it all with its 52-inch adjustable handle and multifunctional use as an ice scraper, garden tool, wall scraper, and moss remover. Built with a thicker number 30 manganese steel shovel head, a precision milled edge, and a sturdy carbon steel connection, this shovel guarantees no breaking or shaking. Its U-shaped clamps and reinforced structure ensure superior stability, while the ergonomic design provides comfort during long use. From ground cleaning to brick cutting and winter ice removal, it's a reliable heavy-duty solution. When tough demolition projects demand power, precision, and versatility, having the right-hand tool makes all the difference. The Kilimanjaro Vaughan demolition tool is designed to handle it all with unmatched efficiency. Built as a multifunction demolition tool, it combines the strength of a hammer, nail puller, pry bar, and more into one durable solution. Perfect for drywall, studs, tile, and plaster, this multi-use tool saves both time and money by replacing multiple DIY hand tools. Crafted with heavy-duty construction, featuring a high-carbon steel frame and a comfort grip handle, it delivers maximum impact with minimal effort. Tear it up and tear it out. This tool gets the job done. Cutting wood and pruning trees requires a powerful, reliable, and safe tool to handle different outdoor tasks with ease. The YARDCARE battery chainsaw is a 12-inch, 18-volt to 20-volt electric chainsaw cordless, designed with a brushless motor for greater power and durability. Its dual modes with smart LED display allow users to monitor battery level, fault codes, and switch between powerful mode and eco-energy saving mode. Equipped with a high-capacity 4.0 ampere-hours battery, it provides long-lasting performance for continuous work. Features include tool-free chain tension, an automatic oil supply system for longer chain sharpness, and a gripping claw design for stable cutting. Multiple safety protections with a fast e-brake ensure safer and more efficient operation. Having the right tools ensures precision, efficiency, and convenience when tackling drilling and fastening tasks. The Greenworks cordless drill is part of a versatile power tool combo kit that includes a 1/2-inch drill, a 1/4-inch hex impact driver, batteries, a fast charger, a 2-piece drill bit set, and a bag. Its advanced battery, motor, and control systems deliver unmatched performance. The brushless drill impact driver combo kit provides more power with 2-time torque, 35% longer runtime, and fade-free charging. Featuring 1,450 RPM, 310 inch-pounds of torque, 18+ one-clutch positions, a lightweight 4.7-pound design, an ergonomic non-slip handle, a compact build, and an LED work light, it's perfect for efficient use in tight spaces. Keeping your lawn neat and well-trimmed requires a reliable and efficient tool that saves both time and effort. The Litheli cordless string trimmer is a battery-powered weed eater with auto feed for lawn trimming and edging, offering convenience and versatility in one. Designed as a 2-in-1 grass trimmer trim and edge, it features a telescopic pole adjustable without tools and a rubber-covered auxiliary handle that locks at any angle for comfort. The 12-inch cutting path and single-line spool with auto feed ensure precise results, while 4 angle settings adapt to any terrain. Powered by a long-lasting 2.0 ampere-hour Li-ion battery, it delivers efficient trimming, enhanced safety with a lock-off button, and added protection with flower and trimmer guards. When it comes to creating strong, secure, and lasting threaded connections in metal, wood, or plastic, a reliable tool is essential. The WETOLS Rivet Nut Toolkit is a professional-grade solution designed for efficiency and durability. This 14-inch riv nut tool comes with 7 metric and SAE mandrels and a 70-piece riv nut assortment kit for versatile applications. Its mandrels are made from chrome steel with heat-treated strength, while the carbon steel arm ensures durability and resistance to corrosion. Easy-to-change mandrels allow quick adjustments without extra tools. Packed in a rugged, blow-molded carry case, it provides organized storage and portability, making it ideal for professional or DIY projects. Cutting through tough or large materials with precision is often difficult and time-consuming using traditional scissors. The Xpersoul cardboard cutter is a cordless electric scissor set designed to make cutting effortless and efficient. This power shears box cutter with a replacement blade works as a rotary cutter for cardboard, packages, leather, plastic, fabric, and more, ensuring smooth and straight cuts every time. Unlike manual scissors, it reduces hand strain and lowers the risk of injury while cutting tougher materials. All accessories, including the cutter, come in a customized carrying case for safe storage, portability, and blade protection, making it a versatile and reliable tool for both home and professional use. Keeping your lawn neat and trimmed requires the right tool that makes mowing efficient, safe, and effortless. The Swift cordless lawn mower is designed to deliver power and convenience for small yards. Equipped with a high-efficiency brushless motor, it runs at 3,900 RPM while producing 30% less noise than traditional gas mowers. Its 40-volt lithium-ion battery covers up to 2,200 square feet per charge, adapting to lawn conditions for consistent results. The 13-inch steel blade and 5 adjustable cutting heights ensure clean and precise cuts, ranging from 0.8 to 2.4 inches. With a lightweight design, safety key, 30-liter grass bag, and foldable handle, it's user-friendly and easy to store. Accurate angled cuts are essential for woodworking, cabinetry, and panel trimming, saving both time and effort. The Feikeer track saw square is designed to bring unmatched precision and efficiency to your cutting projects. Featuring a 60-degree to -60-degree quick positive angle stop, this CNC machined tool transforms your track saw into a full miter station, offering 11 exact angles for professional-grade results. It is perfectly compatible with Festool, Makita, Wen, Milwaukee, PowerTech, and more. The universal track saw square slides easily into any compatible rail. Tighten the clamp and cut instantly. Its stabilizing edge support ensures vibration-free performance while eliminating constant measuring and scribing for faster, cleaner, and more accurate cuts. Tackling stubborn bolts and heavy-duty tasks requires a powerful tool that delivers stable torque, speed, and reliability. The TaskStar cordless impact wrench is engineered for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike, featuring 900 Newton-meters of stable high torque with a half-inch square chuck for maximum efficiency. Powered by a 21-volt maximum 4.0 ampere-hours battery with advanced technology, it provides strong output for fast tire changes and heavy equipment maintenance. The brushless motor, variable speed trigger, and smart control panel with forward and reverse switches ensure precise operation, while the brake stop improves safety. With an ergonomic handle, compact design, and built-in LED light, this high-quality impact gun guarantees durability, comfort, and excellent performance indoors or outdoors. Efficient and versatile welding requires a machine capable of handling multiple processes with precision and safety. The YESWELDER MIG Welder is a compact and portable 3-in-1 welder supporting flux core MIG, stick, and lift TIG welding, ideal for both beginners and professionals. With 135 amperes output, it can weld mild steel up to 2/5 of an inch thick and supports 0.030 inches and 0.035 inches flux core wire. The Synergic control auto-adjusts voltage to match wire feed speed, while the large LED digital display shows real-time current. Weighing just 11.4 pounds with a carrying handle, it's lightweight and portable. Safety features include overcurrent, overload, and overheat protection, and it comes with extra flux core wire for immediate use. Maintaining proper tire pressure is essential for safety, efficiency, and vehicle performance. The Litheli tire inflator air compressor is a 20-volt cordless car tire pump designed for cars, bikes, and sports balls, featuring a 2.0 ampere-hours rechargeable battery and charger. With a maximum pressure of 150 psi and an airflow of 25 liters per minute, it ensures fast inflation. The digital LCD shows real-time pressure in PSI, bar, kPa, or kilograms per square centimeter and includes an auto shutoff function to prevent overinflation. Its cordless compact design allows easy transport, while the LED light with bright and flashing modes supports nighttime or roadside emergencies. Includes a tapered adapter, press-to-valve, and sports ball needle for versatile use. Proper and hygienic waste disposal is essential for any RV or portable sanitation system. The Camco RhinoFLEX sewer hose kit offers a durable 23mm polyolefin hose reinforced with steel wire, making it tougher than standard vinyl hoses. It features a clear elbow fitting with a removable 4-in-1 adapter, compatible with 3-inch slip, 3.5-inch, and 4-inch NPT threaded sewer connections, allowing for easy monitoring of tank emptying. The hose provides secure compression, bends and holds its shape for easier handling, and comes in ready-to-use 15-foot or 20-foot kits with pre-attached swivel bayonet and lug fittings, storage caps, and bonus RV toilet treatment. Optional 5-foot and 10-foot extensions expand versatility for any setup. Efficient and precise lubrication is essential for maintaining machinery and heavy equipment. The GEVEELIFE electric grease gun offers a 2-in-1 convertible design that works with both bulk grease and standard cartridges, delivering up to 12,000 psi for heavy-duty applications. Its cordless operation with dual-mode functionality allows you to switch modes easily, saving up to 50% maintenance time. The 90-degree swivel coupler provides ultimate access and visibility in tight spaces, while the adjustable shoulder strap ensures comfortable all-day use. Built from heavy-duty aluminum with an IP54 rating, this grease gun resists dust and water, making it ideal for farms, trucks, construction, and industrial machinery. Precise and efficient cutting of metal and other tough materials is essential for professional-grade projects. The PropeLannt cordless metal shears feature a Milwaukee M18 battery, 14 GA cutting blade, and 400 Nm torque, enabling smooth cuts through stainless steel, aluminum, leather, cardboard, and more. Its 360-degree pivoting head allows the blade to move independently while the user stays steady, reducing fatigue by 50%. Powered by a brushless motor with IP54 rated housing and helical gear transmission, it ensures consistent torques under heavy loads. Additional features include a built-in LED light, anti-mishap safety lock, and multi-speed cutting modes, making it ideal for HVAC, automotive, marine, and custom fabrication tasks. Protecting plumbing systems from excessive water pressure is essential for maintaining safe and reliable operation in RVs and trailers. The RVGUARD water pressure regulator valve features a brass, lead-free construction with hot cast technology, ensuring durability and safety. Its adjustable knob allows users to easily control water pressure by hand, turn clockwise to increase and counterclockwise to decrease, without any tools, with a factory setting of 45 psi. Equipped with a gauge display for real-time pressure monitoring and an inlet screen filter to remove impurities, it is compatible with 3/4-inch garden hose threads and works seamlessly with all American water sources, making it ideal for RVs, campers, and travel trailers. Keeping outdoor spaces clean efficiently requires a powerful and portable solution. The Litheli cordless leaf blower delivers 350 CFM air volume at 85 mph using a copper motor with axial turbine technology, ensuring concentrated airflow, high strength, and low noise. Its variable speed dial allows precise control for blowing leaves, light snow, dust, debris, grass, pine needles, pet hair, and even drying vehicles. Powered by a 4.0 ampere-hours Li-ion battery with a fast charger, it offers cordless convenience and long runtime. Lightweight at 4.4 pounds, it features an ergonomic rubber handle, quick snap-on tube, and easy storage, perfect for patios, sidewalks, decks, garages, and more. Efficient and precise electronic repairs require a versatile and reliable tool set. The Fanttik electric screwdriver kit offers a complete precision repair workstation with a pop-up electric screwdriver, 64 magnetic S2 steel bits, and 12 types of electronic maintenance tools, including spudgers, tweezers, suction handles, and more. With torque options of 0.05 to 0.2 Newton meters, it ensures accurate handling for phones, laptops, watches, and other electronics. Its magnetic storage compartment keeps bits organized and prevents loss, while the ergonomic design speeds up repairs, cutting work time in half. The kit combines robust efficiency, durability, and adaptability, making it ideal for enthusiasts, professionals, and as a thoughtful gift for gadget lovers. Organizing and transporting tools efficiently is essential for professionals on the go. The Srotek Tool Bag Backpack is a heavy-duty, multi-purpose backpack designed for construction and job site work, featuring a molded hard base for tool protection and stability. With 47 internal pockets and a large storage capacity, it easily holds pliers, hammers, wrenches, and other large tools. The full opening design allows quick access, while the aircraft cable reinforced handle enhances load bearing. High-vis internal fabric, a combination lock, a USB interface, dual-purpose side pockets, and reflective strips improve visibility, security, and convenience. Built from 1,680D ballistic weave, this backpack is abrasion-resistant, splash-proof, and perfect for a variety of professionals. Having versatile tools at your fingertips is essential for daily tasks and emergencies. The TISGOOG Multitool is an EDC pocket tool crafted from ultra-light titanium alloy, making it 40% lighter than stainless steel, rust-proof, and hypoallergenic. It integrates a small adjustable spanner wrench, a screwdriver with a one-key safety lock, a window breaker, a bottle opener, and a measuring ruler, all designed for daily, outdoor, and car scenarios. Ultra-thin at 0.23 inches and featuring a keychain hole, it offers ultimate portability, fitting easily in pockets or bags or attaching to belts, perfect as a gift for men and outdoor enthusiasts. And that's our list of the 20 amazing and unique tools on Amazon everyone should have. Which one of these gadgets do you want to try first? Drop your favorite in the comments below. If you found some cool new Amazon tools today, give this video a like, share it with friends who love unique gadgets and must-have tools, and subscribe for more Amazon finds, DIY gear, and smart tools every week. Stay sharp, stay creative, and I'll see you in the next video.